Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, we are here guys today sa Santuario Resto Bar. Open po siya daily from 5 PM to 3 AM, Monday to Sunday. Ayan guys, napakaganda ng ambience guys. Ayan guys, mag-enjoy ka ng bonggang-bongga. While waiting sa order mo, meron din silang live entertainment, so hindi ka mabuboard. Ayan, super kunti pala ng tao guys kasi medyo maaga kami dumating. And dyan, ayan na, nag-order muna kami while waiting kay Tita Belle. Actually, pumunta kami dito kasi imimit namin si Tita Belle. Ayan guys, super ganda ng boses ng babae yan. It's like, oh my god, ma-amaze ka ng bonggang-bongga. So yan, hindi ka talaga mabuboard guys. So kung hanap nyo ng yung gusto nyo mag-relax, mag-unwind, mag-relax or whatever, so yan, i-try nyo dito sa Santuario Resto Bar. It's napakamura ng mga pagkain nila guys, with a reasonable price naman talaga. And guys, by the way, sa nagtatanong, ang Santuario Resto Bar po is located po siya sa Raha Grand Hotel. Nasa 37th Street ng Moraca, Bandera. Ayan guys. So guys, so what are you waiting for guys? Kung gusto nyo mag-relax, punta lang kayo dito sa Santuario guys. Ayan, mag-enjoy talaga kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Ayan guys. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Again, if you guys haven't heard about this time,
thank you. Precious, what's that? Yummy? Give mama be. Give mama. Thank you. I love you. Kiss mama be, kiss.
yeah.